Hi, how are you? Dave Fenoy here, and I am announcing that my Voice Acting for Video Games webinar is going to be happening May 7th through 9th. That's a Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Thursday and Friday, 7 p.m. to 10 p.m., Saturday, 10 to 1 p.m. Only going to be 12 seats for full participants. That'll be $350, but that's a bargain because ordinarily this would cost you around $500 or so. And flies on the wall will get to see and hear it all for $150. Now that includes 9 hours of instruction and coaching. My Voice Acting for Video Games PDF, more than 60 pages of tips and information, 50 plus scripts from actual video games, and you will have access to the video of the entire webinar after the fact, so you can go back and relive it and relearn. What are you going to learn to do? Well, create believable character performances, do efforts, do auditions that book, how to do that, how to eliminate ready reads, how to break down a script so that you can get the most out of it, what to expect on the job, how to create demos that serve you, and so much more. Dave Fenoy here, my Voice Acting for Video Game webinar happening Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, May 7th through 9th. Click on the link, book yourself, and I'll see you then.